Hey guys, what's up? Shane here from Awake FX. Welcome to this trading video. I know it's a while since I made a video. I was actually on holidays for the last 3 weeks. I was fortunate to be able to go away with my family. I was in the UK at a really cool event called Community, which was like a festival for families in the UK. And then I was in Lithuania. I was traveling across Lithuania with my family. And also we're at another festival over there called Masters of Calm, which is a really cool festival in the forest for families. Very, very cool. So check them out. I'll be there next year at both events. I could meet you there. Possibly, yeah. Moving on. In this video, I will be showing you a live trade. Exact entry, exact exit. You're going to see it at the end of the video. So make sure to stay to the end. But before that, I wanted to discuss something called From the Silver Bullet to the Golden Bullet, the title of this video. So the Silver Bullet is a trading strategy by ICT, Inner Circle Trader, very popular at the moment. But I believe that everyone out there has their own Golden Bullet trade. So what do I mean by that? So the Silver Bullet is, let's say, a strategy created by someone else, but you really need to use all the things that you've learned, do some back testing, make some tweaks to find out what your Golden Bullet strategy is for you. So for example, I've been trading for about 12 years. Over that time, I've learned from a lot of different mentors, but I brought it all together and created what I believe to be my Golden Bullet. So for example, if you're trading the ICT Silver Bullet trading strategy, he says to trade between 3 and 4 a.m. New York time. In Ireland, that's between 8 and 9 a.m. I'd trade the UK Open, but I trade between 3 a.m. and 4:45 a.m. Why do I do that? Because I've done a lot of back testing over the years and it works for me. So this is my Golden Bullet. Okay, so I don't trade specifically ICT exact model always. I've developed it and tweaked it. I have my own set of rules, exactly what to follow, criteria for entry, criteria for exit, and I have 2 complete trading strategies on the eurodollar, for example. So in this video, I'm going to show you a trade that I took today. It's very interesting because any of you who know the ICT 2022 model know that the process to take a trade is you wait for price to move up, hit a buy side level, take out liquidity, have a market structure shift, and you look for a short. Conversely, the other way around, you would wait for market to come down, take out a sell side liquidity level, price break below that, have a market structure shift, and you look for a buy. The difference with what I'm showing you today is it's part of my Golden Bullet strategy in that I am looking for my trade. I have sell side level taken. Many of you will be looking for that turn to go long, but I was looking for a short. So sell side was taken. I was looking for a continuation trade lower. So it's a continuation play. So let's have a look at the charts. It'll make more sense shortly. And if you do like trading videos like this, make sure to subscribe and you won't miss out on future trading videos I have for you. So let's have a look at the charts. Okay, guys, what we're looking at here is a 1 hour chart of the eurodollar, the 6E futures chart. Okay, and the time now is 9 a.m. GMT. Okay, so that is 4 a.m. in New York. And it's an hourly chart. So you see prices moved up, price moved down. We've had a pullback. We had a break lower. I believe the price is going to move lower towards these lows over here. Okay, this draw on liquidity, which is below market. Okay, and so far that's what price is doing. Now, I want to show you a 5-minute chart where many traders would be zoomed in here in the morning and they would be looking at previous highs over here. This is where I marked up buy side, internal buy side level, and a sell side level down here below. Okay, this is internal buy side and internal sell side. Now at 8 a.m. or 3 a.m. New York time right here, usually I would be hunting potentially for a break of this buy side to take a short, or a break of this sell side to turn and take a long. But in this case, it's slightly different. Price didn't take out the buy side before price moved lower. Instead, we had a very violent sell-off exactly at that 3 a.m. New York time or 8 a.m. UK time. Price aggressively sold off here, okay? So this is an example of a case where I wouldn't be looking for a buy anymore here. I'm actually looking for a short and a continuation lower, okay? So what I'm actually looking for here now is I'm looking for price to retrace up into this area here and then for a move actually lower. Even though sell side was broken, it's a trade where I use my Fibonacci's more. So from this absolute high to this low here, we did have a pullback very close to the 50 already, but we didn't kind of dip into it. So I had an order exactly on this 50% level. It didn't get triggered. Prices moved lower, but I still think price could move up here and kind of retest in this zone. Okay, so I'm actually looking to take a short in this trade. So with this video, you may get the opportunity to see an actual live trade as well, because this is live market data. Today is the 1st of August, 2023. And in the UK here, it's 9:03 a.m. Now, personally, for my own trading strategy, I do allow myself up until 9:45 to take my trades. I know ICT has the silver bullet trade from 8 to 9, but you know, we all learn how to trade in our own way, and I've been trading for many, many years before I've even discovered ICT. So I do allow between 8 a.m. and 9:45 to take an entry in the morning UK open. So I'm just waiting here for price to move up here, take out this high here, and move lower. You can also see here we do have a fair value gap from this candle's low to this candle's high. I'll just mark that up right there. Price has moved down. This is a 5-minute chart, remember, and it has moved up and already dipped in there to that fair value gap. So that could have been just one entry there already for somebody and may have a stop at the high, but I was looking to get in a little bit higher here, so I may or may not get a fill. We'll just have to wait and see. But really what we're discussing here is the fact that sell side has been taken. Price has moved below the sell side area that I marked up this morning, but I'm not looking to get long, because really in order for the market structure to change here properly, we would have to break these absolute highs up here, which is a long distance away. So in my opinion, it's more likely that we're going to turn here and move lower. So let's see if this indeed happens and if we can actually get a fill in this trade today. Here's my trading platform on the left. I have 6 contracts to go short, placed there at the 1.10110 level. So I'm looking to get in there. If price can move up, my stop loss will be up here, 10 pips. Looking to make 20 pips. Nice and easy, keep it simple. So I think by taking a look at this video is quite important in your development as a trader, especially if you're someone who's taken silver bullet trades and you've been studying various videos online or ICT's material, and you've always been looking for sell side breaks to look for a long entry, or a buy side break above market structure shift and a short entry. There are moments when there's continuations in either direction. And this is the kind of trade I'm doing right now today, this one. Sell side was taken. We had a liquidity sweep. But because of the type of displacement, because of my knowledge of the draw of liquidity, especially on the daily chart, I believe price will move down towards previous day's lows. I believe the draw liquidity is lower. So as a result, I'm looking for a short once price gets up into this zone that I've spoken about already. So you can see price just moving up here right now. Let's see, can we get filled? If you can see here on the left, my 6 contracts. Okay, so we're now short. Price has broken this high here. So that's a type of liquidity sweep even within itself. Price can move higher here. I'm completely aware of that. I've got a 10 pip stop on this. Looking for price to move lower. Risking on this trade $750. Looking to make $1,500 approximately on this one. So just to recap, prior to 8 a.m., I had my buy side level and sell side level noted. Price moved higher with a series of higher highs and higher lows. Little dip here, but then price broke higher, and then at 3 a.m. New York, we had a violent move down. Huge, aggressive move lower. We took out the sell side, and now I believe price is set to go lower. Okay, because if we always look left in your chart, what do you see on the left? I'll maybe just jump up to an hour chart here. So you can see in the left here, price has been moving down. We've had a pullback, had to move lower. I'm looking for price to move lower down towards these lows here as the draw on liquidity. Okay, so let's go back to a 15-minute chart. Let's see where we are there. We're right at our 50% tracement, high to low. Price can go up towards the optimum trade entries, the blue line here. Okay, 5-minute chart. That's where we're at right now. So we can move up into this area. I'm happy with my entry to take it after above this swing high, and looking for price to move lower. Okay, so price seems to be rejecting here at the moment. Here we go. We got price selling off here in the 5-minute chart. Exactly what we want to see. So we're up about $375 at the moment, just from that little small move there. So let's see if we can keep this up and move lower. So right now my risk on the trade is $750 of initial risk. So I'm happy to pull that down just above this candle's high here and reduce my risk all the way down to 1.10125, so I can move my stop down. So I'm only risking $112.50 on this trade. So I've got my stop loss moved all the way down to $112, just above this high. So very, very low risk. Okay, so it looks like we are close to breaking the lows here. We're up about $900 at the moment. Our target is within sight, guys. You can see it here on the left. This 6 contracts will close out the trade for $1,500 once we get down there. Quite normal to have a little green candle like this. It'll bounce up retracement before moving lower. So don't worry about that kind of thing, guys. You're in the trade, reduced risk. I can actually move my stop loss to literally break even now at that point. Don't expect price to go back up there. So break even, no risk on the table. So we're up about $1,000 here on the left, you can see at this point. Just looking for that final push down. Remaining calm, in the zone. Let the trade do its thing, guys. That's what you have to do. It's a pretty nice trade. Like where I entered, I only had 1 pip of drawdown. 1 pip of drawdown. It's very, very, very low. Okay, you see prices retracing up here. Why is that? It's completely normal. If you look closely, we do have a fair value gap right there. The price is just tapped into. So let's see if price rejects from that level to move lower. So you can see price moved up into this little fair value gap here, rejected it nicely. We've moved lower. We're up about $1,200 now. Just looking for this final push then in here, get the $1,500 off the table and be done for the day. Time now is 10:13 a.m. in Ireland and the UK, which is 5:13 a.m. in New York. So although I take my setups between 8 and about 9:45, usually it's outside of that time zone by the time your target is hit. So that's to be expected. So we're just a few pips here away from target, about 3 pips now. Price coming down into target. I can move my stop down above this high here, 1.10050. There you go. So we've locked in $450 regardless, but we're coming into target anyway, so I do expect my target to be hit. But just in case there's some crazy event and price spikes up. Come on, 1 more pip. Go on. Fill them 6 contracts and let us be done for the day here. Boom, there we go, guys. $1,500 in that 6E eurodollar futures trade. Taken today. And it was, as I mentioned, a situation where we have a liquidity sweep below a sell side, but it's an extremely strong move. And it's a continuation play I played. Fibonacci continuation play lower. Got in, I had 1 pip of drawdown. and straight to target there for $1,500. So thanks for watching. If you do enjoy trading content, check out Awake FX on YouTube, subscribe today, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks and bye-bye.